She thought she married a wealthy man. She thought she secured the house, the cars, the lifestyle. And when she decided she was done playing with him, she made a promise. She would take everything. But what she didn't understand was that he had already prepared. While she saw ownership, he built protection. While she trusted assumptions, he trusted structure. And in court, when the papers were read, the truth became clear. He owned nothing. Not the house. Not the assets. Not the wealth. Because the wealthy don't own what they control. Their trusts do. And by the time she realized it, it was already too late. The biggest financial mistake is waiting until you need protection. To build it, own nothing, control everything.
Protect what you build. Learn more at libertyaidacademy.org. Have a blessed day.